Let's be real. Every single week, it feels like there's a brand new, supposedly magical AI video editor dropping on the Android App Store, right? And of course, they all promise to do absolutely all the heavy lifting for you. Well, today, our mission is to cut straight through that noise. We're diving into this explainer to find the absolute best, genuinely free Android AI video editors available in 2026.
Okay, let's dive right into this, because honestly, I know exactly how you feel. I think we are all dealing with some serious AI fatigue right now. You know the drill. You download an app that basically promises you the world, only to find out 10 minutes later that it's virtually unusable until you cough up your credit card.
It's what I call the App Store AI trap, and there are really three main pain points that are just completely ruining mobile editing right now. First, you've got those core essential features locked away behind massive paywalls. Then you've got these giant intrusive watermarks slapped right across the middle of your beautiful edits. Or, honestly, even worse, you get this gimmicky AI that just flat out ruins your hard-earned footage. And that's exactly why I went ahead, downloaded, and rigorously tested the top options out there. This explainer is going to save you a ton of precious time and, of course, your very valuable phone storage space.
So here is our roadmap for today. We're going to check out LightCut, then compare Filmora and InShot, move on to VN Editor, look at CapCut, and finally, we'll wrap it all up with the final verdict.
All right, let's kick things off with number 1, LightCut, the instant editor. If you're just in a massive rush, like you need a video yesterday, this app is going to be your absolute best friend. Oh, and it's genuinely free and officially recommended by DJI, which is a huge plus. The standout feature here is what they call the one-tap edit, and this brilliantly illustrates how simple the process actually is. Step 1, you literally just select a bunch of raw clips straight from your gallery. Step 2, the AI automatically goes to work. It analyzes the footage and extracts only the best, most usable moments. Then, step 3, that exact same AI syncs those extracted clips to trending music and even color grades the shots for you. Now, just to be totally clear, this isn't for complex multi-layered timeline editing. But for an instant vlog or a quick travel reel, it is shockingly accurate and gets the whole job done in seconds.
Moving right along to number 2, Filmora and InShot, the social staples.
Now, these two are highly capable tools that are really specifically tailored for social media creators, but it's fascinating how their specific AI strengths contrast with each other. Filmora is, well, it's essentially a massive AI effects engine. It totally excels at fun, flashy visual elements. Take its AI Smart Cutout, for example. It's fantastic. You just roughly draw a line around yourself and the AI perfectly removes the background. No green screen needed whatsoever. They even built an AI script generator right into the app, which is wild. On the flip side, you have InShot. InShot handles the practical stuff. Framing and audio cleanup absolutely perfectly for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. They have this new AI auto-reframing tool that will literally track your face in a horizontal video and automatically keep you dead center when you crop it to a 9:16 vertical format. Plus, their AI noise reduction is just incredible at cleaning up messy background audio.
But hey, there's always a catch, right? While both of these apps push their premium tiers pretty heavily, we really need to know the exact limitations of their free versions. Filmora, unfortunately, is going to slap a watermark on your free exports. That's a huge bummer and definitely makes it way less ideal if you're trying to create, say, professional YouTube shorts. InShot, meanwhile, keeps your screen nice and clean without a watermark, but they lock some of their absolute best AI effects behind that Pro subscription tier.
All right, on to number 3, VN Editor, the Pro choice.
VN is an old favorite of mine that generally skips the flashy gimmicks so you can have a real manual control, but it is quietly transformed into an absolute AI powerhouse behind the scenes. Now, what's really interesting about this app is how it tackles incredibly boring workflows with something called word-level timing. VN features an auto-text caption AI that is blazing fast and completely free. So instead of sitting there manually typing out and syncing your text, which takes forever, the AI precisely matches the appearance of your on-screen captions with the exact millisecond that word leaves your mouth. It essentially automates the single most tedious transcription work out there.
And it's not just the blazing fast captions. VN recently added intelligent multi-track grouping and AI beat syncing to speed up your editing flow even more. But let me heavily emphasize the absolute best part of VN's professional edge here. Zero watermarks. None. You get top-tier AI assistance to speed up the boring stuff, you keep full manual control over your timeline, and you get totally clean, watermark-free exports every single time you hit save.
Which brings us to number 4, CapCut, the undisputed king.
Developed by ByteDance, CapCut is, without a doubt, the absolute pinnacle of current mobile editing. Let's move to their features and see how this builds into an ultimate AI arsenal directly on your phone. The sheer amount of free AI tools they pack into this thing is it's absurd. You have the viral AI analyzer that actually suggests trending edits to you. You get AI auto-cut, which automatically deletes all the dead silence and pauses from your speaking videos. Honestly, that alone saves hours of manual chopping. Add in their incredibly realistic AI voice cloning and advanced text-to-speech, and you basically have an entire high-end production studio sitting right in your pocket.
And to put that into perspective, here is the absolute craziest part about CapCut. While yes, there is a pro version available, an incredible 90% of the AI tools you actually need to build a massive viral channel are fully available on CapCut's free tier. You can do almost everything, the whole shebang, without spending a single dime.
Finally, number 5. The final verdict, matching the app to your goal.
So the crucial point is bringing this all together into a definitive, actionable set of recommendations based on exactly what you need right now. It's all about matching your specific goal to the right tool. If you want the app to do literally 100% of the heavy lifting for a quick reel or a travel vlog, you need to download LightCut today. If you're a bit more advanced and looking for a clean, professional timeline where you have manual control and demand 0 watermarks, VN Editor is your clear winner. But if you want the absolute most powerful AI tools available on a smartphone right now to help you build a viral channel, CapCut is the undeniable champion.
Which brings us to a final, really important question to wrap up this explainer. Which of these 5 AI editing powerhouses are you actually going to try out first? Sound off and let me know in the comments below. I really hope this deep dive saved you hours of frustrating app testing and, of course, a ton of precious phone storage space. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer today, and keep creating.